2006 Volkswagen GTI, also known as a Mkv Gti. Today, we'll be changing out the O2 sensor, the rear one to be exact. So, let's get to it. Alright, got the jack set up. Got me a jack stand as well. I'm going right here. Alright, got the jack. Put the jack stand underneath as well. So, first things first. So underneath, there's I want to say, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then over here, there's a 7th one and 8th one. About 8 of them. These are all 10 millimeters. So take a 10 mil socket and remove each of these. Sometimes they might just be hand tightened like mine's. So I've been under here a few times, so I didn't tighten too far. So take these out. 10 millimeter socket. This is the 10 mil I'll be using with extension. I have one that's really tight. Alright, it'll drop down just like this. I have mine's on zip ties for my e-brake line because it was hanging. See, it's getting tore up. I brought the car like that, so I went ahead and just zip tied it to this. Haven't had an issue since. So right here is the downpipe. Mine's is modified to a 3-inch downpipe, so yours might be a little different. But O2 sensor is right here. And usually the O2 sensor will sit right in here, but I have a spacer in between. So I had to remove the spacer, and then that'll remove everything. I might first try to take the O2 sensor off. So it's probably best to go and get an O2 socket, but I have a 7/8, and this fits perfectly on the O2 sensor on the Mkv Gti, and probably many others. And just to kind of demonstrate, so this is the O2 sensor. You see that right there, it's locked in. Alright. So I believe we push it. Perfect. So once you do it, then you can start turning it out. Now keep in mind, you do have a wire that you're dealing with as well. So you might have to, perfect. So that's my O2 sensor. I'll kind of show you the bracket here. Kind of slip the wire in and out. Perfect. You can kind of see how it's stationed in. So O2 sitting there, and this right here you can just pull down, and then there's a clip right here, and of course you'll squeeze that clip and then push it out. So the spacer bolt is bigger, well, nut is bigger than the actual wrench itself, so I'm gonna grab these pliers here, see if we can get this out.
was too young, and I didn't understand that you
7/8. Slip that bad boy on, and we'll go ahead and tighten it down. Perfect. Alright, so this is the O2 sensor here. It's the line. So we're going to put this back on the bracket. So I like to take this line, wrap it around there, onto this bracket. Boom. And then I'm just going to come around the whole bracket, slip it underneath there, take it back around the bracket, slide it underneath as such. Boom. And then bring it back around like that. So we'll plug in the sensor. Perfect. And we'll go ahead and slide this in this little slot here, just like that. Boom. Now that's how I've been doing it, because it's the easiest, simplest. There's probably better ways to go about it. That's how I've been doing it. And I just stuff this wire right in between here. Perfect. So now you'll get this again. It's a little plastic cover for the bottom. You'll drop back in each one of these 10 mils. So I'll do that next. So keep in mind that you'll see these sticking out of each one of the holes here. So make sure those are lined up. Otherwise this won't line up correctly. And in actuality, these aren't supposed to fall out. They're supposed to hook on to here and here, and it's supposed to stay in. But over the years, mine is broken off. So that's why mine is off. But yours should stay. Don't pull them out. If they're not coming out, don't pull them out. Leave them like it is. They're in correctly. Mine is just broken. Perfect. So got each one of them in. So all of them are in now. You see, it's not going anywhere. And drop the car. Start her up. Drop it around. And that's about it. That's how you change the O2 sensor on the Mkv Gti.